In the realm of automotive excellence, Bugatti has always been synonymous with unparalleled luxury and breathtaking performance. The recent unveiling of the most expensive Bugatti Veyron ever built has set a new standard for automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike. This masterpiece of engineering represents the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship and exclusivity. The Bugatti Veyron, renowned for its iconic design and record-breaking speed, has been a symbol of automotive excellence since its introduction. However, this particular model transcends all expectations. Priced at an astonishing $3.8 million, it surpasses all previous records for Bugatti Veyron sales. What makes this Veyron so exceptional? It combines cutting-edge technology with bespoke craftsmanship, ensuring that each detail is meticulously crafted to perfection. Under the hood lies a powerhouse, an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, capable of producing an astounding 1,200 horsepower. This immense power propels the Veyron to a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, making it not only luxurious but also one of the fastest production cars ever created. Every curve and contour of its aerodynamic bodywork is designed not just for aesthetics but also to enhance performance and stability at high speeds. Stepping inside the cockpit of the most expensive Veyron is akin to entering a realm of pure opulence. The interior is adorned with the finest materials, from handcrafted leather upholstery to exotic wood trim. State-of-the-art technology seamlessly integrates with classic design elements, providing both driver and passengers with unparalleled comfort and convenience. The exclusivity of owning such a vehicle cannot be overstated. Each Bugatti Veyron is a work of art in its own right, but this particular model stands out even among its prestigious brethren. Limited production ensures that only a fortunate few will ever experience the thrill of driving this automotive masterpiece. Beyond its performance and luxury, the most expensive Bugatti Veyron ever built represents a significant investment opportunity. As a symbol of automotive history and innovation, its value is expected to appreciate over time, making it not just a vehicle but a coveted collector's item. In conclusion, the unveiling of the most expensive Bugatti Veyron marks a milestone in automotive history. It embodies the relentless pursuit of perfection that defines Bugatti as a brand. For those fortunate enough to acquire it, this Veyron represents not just a car, but a legacy, a testament to the enduring allure of luxury and engineering excellence. As automotive enthusiasts and collectors marvel at this extraordinary achievement, one thing is certain: the most expensive Bugatti Veyron ever built will forever be remembered as a triumph of design, technology, and uncompromising luxury.